Hi, we have cooked some pork tenderloin here, and we have people all the time asking us, will the knife cut meat? Will a Foxcreek Bow Knife work on meats? And the answer is absolutely it will work on cooked pork tenderloin or steak or anything of that nature. Now, one of the things about doing a pork tenderloin is when you want it to come out smooth cuts and you get your best knife you think you got and you go to cutting it, a lot of times it'll pull apart and you got shredded edges. With the Foxcreek Bow Knife, it does not shred your meat. It just slices it so smooth and clean. It doesn't tear it apart. But just there again, just move the knife light and swift, a long stroke on the blade, and it cuts it just so smooth and easy. And see those nice clean edges. And you can see this is still hot, so it'll cut it hot or cold. I don't know if you can see the steam or not, but it is a hot tenderloin, just came out of the oven a couple minutes ago. And there again, you can do, really thin. If you want to make sandwiches and you want to do some really thin stuff, you can do some, right at deli slices with it, or you can go up to 1 inch thick. But for this, we typically stay around a 1/2 inch or so thick when we're cutting it. But no torn edges, no tears, nice and smooth. There again, the Foxcreek Bow Knife, the easiest knife to use. Thank you very much.